This video will give a brief overview of the new features available in BTR2SQL version 6. BTR2SQL version 6 is focused on database support and feature parity. With the increased pace of updates from database vendors, we're now updating our BTR2SQL product line annually. This means that across our BTR2SQL product line, we have a minimum of 3 new database versions to test and verify each year. In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview of some of the new features in BTR2SQL version 6. First up is an optimization feature we're calling trimmed multi-segment queries. When greater than or equal to operations or less than or equal to operations making use of multi-segment indexes are executed, the resulting SQL queries required to make sure all records are found could require many round trips to the server. This has been optimized to minimize the number of queries executed in a way that the database server can still optimize the query plan for speed. We've also added multi-lob support into our Oracle and PostgreSQL drivers to bring them into feature parity with MS SQL, which has had multi-lob support for the past year. Briefly, multi-lob support allows for multiple binary objects to be stored in the variable portion of the btrieve record structure while being separated into multiple blob columns on the SQL backend. We've also added a variety of other features that you can read about more in our documentation. But the area we'd like to focus on now is database support. First up is MSQL. Our driver is now shipping with the latest MS-OLEDB driver, which is Microsoft's new name for the SQL native client. Look for more videos to be released soon that show how to use some of these new features available in SQL Server from BTR2SQL, and we'll go into more detail. Next up is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL version 12 is a great new release that includes performance improvements in indexes, online index rebuilding, and stored generated columns. Finally, Oracle 19c. This release is the final release in the Oracle 12.2 family. It's a long-term release focused on stability. The premier new feature in Oracle 19c relates to automatic indexing, which is an expert system that analyzes actual queries and will determine which indexes are useful to keep in memory and which are not. It will even automatically create new indexes based on its analysis of queries. Also, automatic statement quarantining can prevent runaway SQL statements from degrading system performance. Once a statement is quarantined, repeat statements of the same class will be detected and quarantined as well. The new version 6 drivers are available now. If you have a support contract, you can log into your customer portal and request an upgrade on any license that is currently in contract. You can download version 6 from the customer portal as well. We'll be releasing a series of short training videos showing you how to use the new features in version 6, along with blog posts if that's your preferred method of consumption. Thank you for watching.